guys, I've got one box of 20 frozen, what are these, chicken taquitos. You can use beef if you want. You're gonna lay them all out on a 13x9 casserole dish. If you have any extra, you can just put them on the side like that. Amazing. I've got 2 cans of enchilada sauce. Go ahead and pour this all over. It's gonna be a great dinner for your Taco Tuesday. So easy to make. Every time I make this, it's a great hit. Everybody asks where I got the recipe idea, and I don't tell them. Top of that, I've got 1 pound of ground beef that I've already cooked up. Let's go ahead and crumble this, put this all over that enchilada sauce and those taquitos, like that. And we're just gonna spread this out. One nice layer, like so. And then we're gonna top everything with the Siete mild taco seasoning. I don't know if you have a favorite taco seasoning. If you do, please let me know in the comments so I can give them a try. I do a lot of taco recipes on my page, so I like knowing if there's like new taco seasonings out there that I can try, so I can try all of them. Once that's on there, I've got 1 can of Nacho seasoning. Go right on top, like so. Love a cheesy Mexican dish. I think the cheese makes everything taste so good. I'm gonna get the rest of it out here as well. And then just spread that out into one good, easy layer all over everything. What's a good like Taco Tuesday recipe that you guys do at home? I'd love to know that too, because I like trying all sorts of different ones. You guys just go out for Taco Tuesday, or do you actually make something at home? Okay, once that's all on there, just a couple of other ingredients to bump up that nacho cheese flavor. I got some nacho cheese blend cheese. That's the cheese that's shredded. It's already got the nacho flavoring on there. Put that all in there. Got 2 little packets of sliced onions. That goes on there as well. And then we're topping everything with a bag of chili cheese Fritos. You just don't have to use the whole bag if you don't want. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Spread that all across the top. Oh, that looks so good, guys. You're gonna smush it down. Make sure it's all in the casserole in one layer. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Oh my goodness. Take a look at this. Got the chili cheese Fritos right on top. I'm gonna go ahead and dig on into the middle here. Got those taquitos and all that cheese. It's gonna look so good, and I promise it's gonna be tasting amazing. Look at that, all those chicken taquitos. A little bit of a departure. You can use beef ones if you want. Get a little bit here. Cheesy taquitos with the Fritos on the top. Oh, that's delicious. You need to make this for your next Taco Tuesday. I promise it'll be a hit.